Hey everybody, this is Paul. Welcome to your 11th tutorial in the Intermediate Algebra playlist. In this tutorial I'm going to be explaining the product property of square roots. So this is an important property that we'll need to know as we get deeper into algebra. So let's go ahead and cover it now. We can say that the square root of some number a times the square root of some number b is equal to the square root of a times b underneath the radical sign. So how can we use this to change the way things look? So if we have, let's say, the square root of 5, and that's multiplied by the square root of 6, we could rewrite this using the product property as the square root of 5 times 6, and we know that 5 times 6 equals 30, so we could rewrite this whole expression as the square root of 30. So using this product property, we found that the square root of 5 times the square root of 6 is equal to the square root of 30. So what if we had something like the square root of 27 and we wanted to simplify this? Well, we can use the product property to do that as well. So it turns out that 27 is equal to 9 times 3. So we'll just go ahead and write 9 times 3 under the radicand, under the radical symbol. And 9 times 3 equals 27, and 9 times 3 can be rewritten in this form. So we'll just go ahead and write square root of 9 times the square root of 3. And the square root of 9 is equal to 3, so we can simplify this as 3 times the square root of 3. So 3 times the square root of 3 is equal to the square root of 27. How about 5 times the square root of 3? Let's write this as a number underneath one root. So we want to take this 5 and bring it inside somehow. Well, we know that the square root of 25 is equal to 5, so we can just rewrite the 5 as the square root of 25. Square root of 25 equals 5, so then we're just going to multiply that by the square root of 3. So these are equivalent now. And now we have it in this form up here, so we can rewrite this as the square root of 25 times 3, and 25 times 3 equals 75. So we found that the square root of 75 is equal to 5 times the square root of 3. So let's just do one more example here. What if we have the square root of 8, and we want to write this in a little bit different form? Well, 8 is equal to 2 times 4. So we'll just go ahead and do the 4 first and then the 2. And we can split that apart into the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. And the square root of 4 is equal to 2. So this becomes 2 times the square root of 2. So by using the product property of square roots, we're able to take certain expressions and change them into a different form. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys before we got into algebra. This will be something you'll need to know how to do later on. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed, and have a great day. We'll see you next time.